going to be looking at how many minutes in hours. To start, we are going to count in fives around our clock. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. There are 60 minutes in 1 hour. Some activities take longer than 1 hour. They take longer than 60 minutes. So we can continue counting around our clock. If we had 1 hour and 10 minutes, we would count all the way round in our fives and then continue counting in our fives. 65, 70. This time, let's count around our clock twice, counting in fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 115, 120. You have a go. We can use our deans to represent minutes. 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 50 minutes, 60 minutes. 60 minutes is the same as 1 hour. $70 minutes, 80 minutes, 90 minutes, 100 minutes, 110 minutes, 120 minutes. 120 minutes is the same as 2 hours. We are going to be converting hours into minutes and minutes into hours. For example, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. To find out how many hours and minutes there are, I'm going to use what I already know to help me. So I know that there are 60 minutes in 1 hour, so I'm going to put 6 of my Dean sticks together, and I know that that is 1 hour. Now I can count what I have left to find out how many minutes. 10, 20. 1 hour and 20 minutes. 80 minutes is equal to 1 hour and 20 minutes. This time I've drawn my Deans, so I am going to count how many minutes I have. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. I have 90 minutes. Now to find out how many hours and minutes I have, I need to put my Deans into 60s. I know that there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. I'm going to group those together, and that is 1 hour. And then I can count in my tens to see how many more minutes I have. 10, 20, 30. 30 minutes. 90 minutes is equal to 1 hour and 30 minutes. This time I know how many hours and minutes I've got. I've got 1 hour and 15 minutes. To find out how many minutes that is the same as, I'm going to count in my tens and then on in my ones. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. 1 hour and 15 minutes is the same as 75 minutes. I have converted my hours and minutes to just minutes. This time I've drawn my Deans and written how many hours and minutes I have. I have 1 hour and 23 minutes. Let me find out how many minutes that is. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83. 1 hour and 23 minutes is the same as 83 minutes. Today for your task, you are going to be given a duration of time. So you might have 1 hour and 10 minutes. You need to convert that time into just minutes. To do that, you can draw your Deans to help you. I know that there are 60 minutes in 1 hour, so I'm going to draw 6 10 sticks to show 60 minutes. I have an extra 10 minutes, so I can draw 1 more 10 stick. Now to find out how many minutes I have altogether, I'm going to count in my tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 1 hour and 10 minutes is the same as 70 minutes. I have converted from hours and minutes to minutes. Let's try another one. Let's try 1 hour and 35 minutes. Again, using my Deans, I'm going to draw 1 hour and 35 minutes. We know there are 60 minutes in 1 hour, so I can draw 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 35 minutes. 10, 20, 30, and 5 ones. Now to find out how many minutes that is the same as, I'm going to count in my tens, then on in my ones all together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. 1 hour and 35 minutes is the same as 95 minutes. You don't always have to start counting from 10. You already know that 1 hour is 60, so you can count on from 60. 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. Do whichever way suits you best.